Boom, bang, bang. This is what we call the Irie Tree series. And this is a series where we find ourselves in this corner and we are going to reason some things fast. We don't know, 15 minutes and no more, no less.
Yeah, man.
It's not enough, but it's tough. So bear with me. Seen?
Yeah, man. 15 minutes of conscious reasoning.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So today's topic is Uptown versus Downtown.
In Jamaica.
Yes. Uptown people feel like them get a rough bargain from downtown people just because them come from uptown.
Yeah.
And downtown people feel like them get a rough bargain from uptown people because them feel like them look down upon them from uptown in a society.
Sure.
But before we even go further, we can define what is uptown and downtown.
For me, uptown or anywhere a man live in a nice big house or something like that still, you know.
Yeah.
Them have a stable income. You know. Uptown say uptown, dog. Anywhere up in the St. Andrew Hills and them place there, uptown to me that's still downtown.
Mm-hmm. Uptown protected and secure and safe.
Yeah.
And
uptown problems you would say.
Yeah. And uptown not only means say you live in a certain area. Uptown also means say you're in a certain income bracket, in my opinion.
Yep.
With that income bracket comes a certain state of mind.
Yeah. I mean, I argue say if we are split Jamaica into uptown and downtown, country people that probably be in the downtown part if them poor.
True.
When people think about downtown, them think about poor people. Not Jamaica. And them think about uptown, think about people with wealth. That's something that defines it.
Yep. Uptown rich, downtown poor.
Uptown have light skin as well. Downtown have darker tone.
Yeah.
Apart from St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth have the nice brown in them.
And true no dog, some browning come from St. Elizabeth for sure.
Yeah. So but people still no look upon St. as a uptown. Cause next thing when they separate them, the language how you speak. Uptown man would speak more like this when they would not incorporate any of the Jamaican Creole in their language.
And the downtown man find himself Jamaican and him speak the language of the people. Can't run from it.
Exactly. Meanwhile, the uptown man, him no want him youth them speak the Jamaican Creole at all. Send them got prep school so them speak standard English. You'll be surprised to know say you have Jamaicans that can't speak patois in Jamaican.
Yeah man, it's true.
Yeah. And the downtown man him for send him school, him youth at them school So when the youth graduate, can't
sound
speak
proper.
Yeah. I used to have friends in a class who couldn't speak patois in them yard. Them get beaten for it.
Look on that. And then when you find out the same parents, when them want make a joke and them joke not come out in a standard English, you see them have to rely upon the patois. And you find out say we can't run from the patois. The patois is what we are.
Yeah.
Our flesh and blood.
Only thing we know.
Yeah. Enough things separated as well. I make a code switch and we don't know where for 15 in Jamaica. Like to 15 is a struggle. Because a lot of man would want to born uptown and live the uptown life. But when him downtown, him look down upon the uptown man, say him never yet face a struggle. So him start really a Jamaican. They resent him for his success sometimes still.
So I'm asking now, if you knowing or have an idea of uptown run or the liberty, and with your experience from which part you come from, would you trade it if you start over again? Would you trade it
for the other side?
For uptown?
Me personally, me that trade it. Nah lie.
What?
I trade it. Feel like once you're downtown, then put this mentality that you should embrace the struggle and live in the struggle, and the struggle make you a better person. You know,
the struggle makes us one.
The struggle, it come to a point where they worship the struggle, and the only person that win with that is the uptown man. Because you feel like because you overcome a struggle, you're better than him, whereas he might probably have 20-25 years and him never have to do that. That's why when you get a certain level and you're in the uptown bracket, you don't want your kids suffer the same consequences. That's why I say enough people come from the garrison, come from the country, send them kids to the prep school, ensure them kids don't want anything because they don't want them go through the same struggle.
Same thing. Yeah.
You want your kids to live a better life than you.
Yeah.
You don't want your kids
feel like they make you feel like say struggling. If you not struggle, it's not nice.
Yeah.
You see me I say, mother trade it too. Trade it. Why wouldn't I?
Yeah. Tony, would
Nah,
I trade it?
If I would trade it, no, because I don't think no real love is there on the other side.
What do you mean?
There's a lot of anger on the other side towards the next group. In terms of, you know, I feel like you were the one who put me in this situation.
Well, true.
You know, I feel like you were the one who insulate this problem, and you are the one portraying me in a bad light.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want to be a part of you because I might adopt the same mentality. And them always say more money, more problem.
Yeah,
why would I want more problem?
Tony, but when you in a problem, I think that still. I rather have money in a problem than have no money in a problem, bro.
I rather have it. I don't want it more than want it and not have it still.
Yeah.
But it's not even about wanting it and not having it, I believe it's all about making use of what you have and loving what you have. And find some kind of beauty in what you have. You know what I say?
Yeah.
But downtown people do that all the time if we are separate them, bro. We them always are the happiest people. Them always say, oh, you look so happy and you're not even have a proper roof over your head. But that's another way to live a life, bro. You have one life on the earth. Why you don't want to live the best version of it?
Brother, the first time I spent some time in Mandeville. I spent about 3 to 4 years in Mandeville, living with my uncle. And I could classify Mandeville as uptown. Because it has similar lifestyle.
Characteristics.
Similar lifestyle. You have the politician beside you, this rich guy beside you, just one bunch of rich guys.
And
trust me, it was the best 4 years of my life in Jamaica. Because I know why? There was no anxiety. There was no fear, bro. It's the safest I've felt in my life when I'm in Jamaica, when I was living there for 4 years. Because I have the same reality when I have like when the whole have. They're going out at night and coming in and me I say look around like wow. You see me I say friends have to escort me home and make sure I go in safe, then drive off. When I'm in Mandeville, I don't have that experience there. You can go in with your eyes closed without even have to look over your back because the community is safe, bro.
Yeah. It kind of like how we live here now, Tony.
Yeah.
Like when I go out on the road, I walk with my wallet in my back pocket. I don't really look behind me every 30 seconds to see what I go on. I walk home all 4 or 5 o'clock. I can get up in the middle of the night, 5 o'clock in the morning, and say I go for a walk in a lonely area, a quiet area, just go for a walk.
Yep.
Yeah.
Without fear.
Understand?
Yeah.
I understand all of that because what Oscar say is something important.
Safety.
Like it bring back even memories. For example, the same thing where him say, when you want somebody go somewhere, if you drop them off at them house, you wait till you see them go inside and then you're supposed to leave.
Yeah.
Like since for example, me there Spain, me no have to think about that.
Yeah.
If me left somebody somewhere, me drive off or whatever, knowing that them all go inside, everything will be alright.
Yeah.
But that is not a reason to be running from the downtown to uptown.
Tony.
Why not instead of looking at downtown as like a standard of what safety should be like, and incorporate certain things in your community where will help you boost the safety ratings. Be like the I can't say them name, but me I gotta tell you, you know, me learn something interesting. You know, the blue group we come from Los Angeles, right?
Yeah,
You have the blue side, you have the red side. You know that how these were formed were political, basically. It was basically a breakdown of the Black Panthers, right?
Yeah.
The red side, they got to this side for say, all right, if anything's supposed to go down, me and you, we are of the same flesh. Me don't want to use the word, you know what I'm saying? We're of the same flesh, so we're gonna look out for each other, right? And then you have the blue side now, where they say, all right, we are the community resistance in progress. What that mean? That means that anything happen to the community, or anybody will come try pose a threat in the community, we're gonna make sure that we kind of try to deal with that threat so it not come to the community. I'm not saying that we should adapt these same principles or whatever, but I think it's a good way to start.
Bro,
instead of running from the problem, we can basically try to solve the problem.
Tony, we have them principles there in Jamaica. We have like basically two gang around things.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You can understand. Me can understand, you know.
Yeah.
The growth where a downtown youth would have towards the uptown youth. You know what I mean? I do understand when I say I was born in Jamaica, not far from the city, far from the beach, but near to poverty. Seeing? You see?
Mm-hmm.
In a ghetto, I see uptown people create the ghetto. I see uptown people control the ghetto.
Yeah.
You see, the elite schools in Jamaica mostly attended by youths from uptown, not youths from the ghetto. 1 and 2 trickle out in it if them do extremely well in the ghetto school. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we can understand the growth where the ghetto youth have. You downtown have to gather your rubbish, you know, eat and light it. Uptown have garbage truck. The guns them in the 80s was brought downtown by guys from uptown.
Mm-hmm.
The insecurity where ghetto youths feel was created by guys uptown. I understand the growth of uptown and down where uptown have. But see, the problem now, you have youths now where grow uptown, don't have nothing to do with what happened to downtown in a past, but cause and effect.
Yeah.
It's a system in place already. So you basically try to say you have good and you have bad people uptown and downtown, you know.
Yeah.
Always.
It's just
not
how
every
them
situation.
use them platform. And some people, uptown people, sometimes them not even realize what going on downtown, bro.
Because them but a blind eye.
Not even say if them do it blind, them just no see it. Them don't go there.
Yeah, them.
They've never been there. They don't know. All right, the first time you're going to a garrison area. And the first time you go uptown. Two different worlds you kind of enter, you know. It's like you go through a portal, you know.
Night and day.
Two
Night
different.
and day.
The energy where you feel, the way you see the people them dress, the way you see the people them move, the way you see the people them deal with them each other is a totally different thing, you know, bro.
Bro, you have a youth downtown you have a youth downtown where live, so they live on Matches Lane. Or they live in a garden, wherever. You have you never left out of them community yet.
Yeah. Them go school, them buy them food, them go party, them shopping at them, them live them life, them end up working at them community.
Them never left Kingston.
Brother, I've met a friend, yeah. He's here now. Same age group as me. He actually he's 2 years older than me. And I since him fly out and come a foreign. I first in living community.
Yeah. So that's the problem, man.
Yeah.
That topic here, one topic I think we can finish in 15 minutes. So we'll probably go to a part 2, part 3.
To it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Put some thoughts in the comments and let us know what you think. You know, share your ideas about differences between uptown and downtown. Right now we just talk on a big scope and I try zone in on an idea, but you know, Yardie trees, conscious
Yardie
reasoning.
trees.
Conscious reasoning. Real talk.
Join us for the next episode.
Yeah.
I do it
We
very
out.
often. They say it big up on yourself. Man.
Yeah, man.